Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to open and close your garage with myQ. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just installed myQ. How do you actually go ahead and control your garage to get it to open and close? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is open up the myQ app. And that's really simple to use. Right now, you can see that my garage door is closed. But if I want my garage door to open, all you've got to do is click on it once, and then you'll see that it starts to opening. And so with that, you just give it a couple of seconds. You can see that it's been opening for a couple of seconds. And then eventually you're going to see the status change to open. And so with that, you can see that now my garage door has been open for about 2 seconds, 3 seconds, etc. Now, if I click it again, you're going to see the blue light the blue indicator start to circle around the garage. In a couple of seconds, it's going to start closing. And so with that, now the garage door is closing, and it's been closing for a couple of seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And now you can see that the garage door has been closed. So there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and open and close your garage door with myQ. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.